Hi everyone, it's Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I will be doing a Sarah Mack inspired galaxy pour with a twist. Right now I'm just going through the colors. This is Arteza Loft Soft Body Acrylic White with a little dollop of DecoArt Satin Enamel White in it. And the next one is Arteza's Bordeaux Red, one of Sarah's favorites, I know, also one of mine. I was lucky enough to get one when I was in the US last time. This one is Prussian Blue of Amsterdam, as you can see here. And the next color is Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And yeah, as you can see there. They're all mixed with, well, okay, let's take this one then. This is Pebeo Studio Fluorescent Yellow. And then the last one that I'll be showing you is DecoArt 24 karat gold, which is mixed much thicker than all the other paints, which is one of a hint that I got from Sarah actually. So all paints have been mixed with a German pouring medium, I guess you would call it, like Floetrol, called Malverk. 3 parts of that to 1 part paint, a little bit of water to thin it. I made this a little too thick. I am not pleased with the outcome. Might as well let you know that already. I think I muddied the colors. Maybe the way that I layered the cup, or yeah, I don't know. Maybe because I spun it out instead of tilting it. It could also be, but no. When you see the pour, it's already showing. It's more purple than anything, or yeah, some kind of purple. So I don't know. Maybe I layered it with too. They made too many layers. I should have maybe just poured bigger amount of paint each time. I don't know. I can't say. But yeah, as you will see, the final result, I'm not too pleased with it. I might actually paint over it at some point. Let's see. I will not be able to show you the dried result because it's still drying. So you will only be seeing the wet result at the end. I'm shooting this or recording this, narrating the video just the night before I'm actually leaving for Florida. I'm going to the Fruit Art Boutique, and I'll be in Fort Lauderdale for a week before that with my friends. So that's why I wanted to get this one uploaded so that it can be released while I'm gone. And that is also why I'm not able to actually show you the dried result, because I just poured it yesterday. So you will just have to make do with the wet result. The wet result on the video actually looks pretty good. So maybe when it's dried it will look better, I don't know. As you saw, I layered the cup. Now I'm just straight pouring it, moving up and down. So when you move up, the colors will mix more, and when you move down, it'll make the fingerlings. And I'm also turning it, as you can see, and going back. And this is the end of the cup, because I put the white, most of the white at the bottom, with a little gold and the fluorescent yellow, which does not show up much. Again, I think that my problem might have been that I just layered the whole thing in the wrong order. I just noticed now when I was looking at the when I was layering that I put the Quinacridone Nickel as a Gold next to the Bordeaux Red by Arteza. Maybe that's one of the issues, that those two, there should maybe have been, I don't know, a lighter color in between, like the white, for instance. But yeah, I didn't do that. While we're at it, thank you again for joining me. If you like this, please, well, first of all, yeah, if you would subscribe to my channel if you're not already, that would be awesome. Also leave a comment for me. And last but not least, leave a like, thumbs up. Everything helps in order to grow my channel. So yeah, please do if you're not already subscribed. And here I'm just putting on a base coat. Sorry, wow. I'm in traveling mode. I'm putting on a flow extender. This is just drippings from other paintings that I've done, so I can't even tell you what's in there. As you can see, it's a light greenish color, but that is not going to show anywhere. So it's really just to help the paint flow more easily, so as a flow extender. And as I said, I'll be spinning this, so that's my twist to the Sarah Mack inspired Galaxy pour, because I don't think that she's ever spun her Galaxy pours, but I might be wrong. Maybe I'll ask her when I see her at FAB in a week. But yeah, just spreading the flow extender out, and then I'll give it a spin, and you'll see the results in a little bit. Well, oh yeah, putting up some cardboard to just not have the paint fly everywhere. Giving it a torch so I can get rid of some of the air bubbles. I had just mixed the paint, so there was a lot of air bubbles in the paint. But yeah, now I'll just give it a spin, and although the paint was really too thick, you couldn't really see it when I layered the cup because I had sped that up. So it kind of looks almost normal, but it was very thick. I was worried that it wasn't even gonna work with the spinner, but it did. So that at least worked out. But as you can see, I really don't like the muddied colors. I like the fingerlings. I like parts of the painting. Is again, when you see, I'm showing you a close up that I shot right after this was finished. So you'll see that there are some sections that really look great. It'll be coming up in, I don't know, a minute, I think. But yeah, it's just not to my liking. I'm not happy with this one. Again, like I said, it could be when it's dry that it'll grow on me. That happens often, but in this case I doubt it. Should I contact HelloFresh and say that I'm actually advertising for them? Probably should. I love HelloFresh. We get boxes every week. So this is the close-up of the... See, this part I really like. I do like this as well. There are some really interesting details on here. But it's just from a distance, looking at the whole thing, I'm not happy with it. I really am not. But let me know what you think. Maybe you have a better grasp of what it looks like than I do. I'm just not too happy with it. Thank you for joining me again, and I will be seeing you or talking to you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye.